Today, let's introduce this USB 4 cable. And this is the USB 4 cable, the packing. Now let's check this packing. You will find the USB 4 cable inside with a cap, two caps. With icon lighting like this. Two C2C connectors. This connector could be nickel plate or the gold plate. And here, by the high quality aluminum metal. And we supply the service of free logo. Here, could print your company logo, is free. And this USB 4 cable supports data transfer rate up to 20 Gbps and is compatible with Thunderbolt 3. And also it supports previous USB Type-C cable, including USB 3.2, USB 2.0, and Thunderbolt 3. Plus, it's tested and certified as fire resistant, giving you peace of mind that your connection is safe and secure. So we hope to have more communication with you, and we have no MQ for any of your orders. Thank you.